Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And on today's episode I want to show you how I make sweet korma. Now this is not a curry, this is kind of a dry gulab jamun, but a soft, a different kind of texture. And for the ingredient we have here in this bowl, all-purpose flour, a little bit of salt, this is baking powder, and then we have sugar. I'm gonna add the sugar here. We have full fat milk powder. I'm gonna add this here as well, and then I'm just gonna mix all the dry ingredient together. Okay, so now all the dry ingredient has been mixed just like that. We also need some ingredient later on for the syrup, so now just create a well in the center, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract. If you add too much, the color gonna change. And then I'm gonna crack the egg right in the center. And I have already washed my hand. I'm just gonna start mixing, and now you can see the crumbly texture. And now I'm gonna start adding water a little bit at a time. Continue mixing. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of oil, not too much, just about 1 to 2 tablespoons, just until you feel the dough does not stick to your hand at all. And now you guys can see how the dough is looking and how smooth is the dough. And now we are ready to shape this into little korma, which is just looks like exactly gulab jamun. So you can keep a little bit of oil on the side just to, you know, tap your fingertips, and then just create a little korma. So I'm just gonna grab a little portion like that, and then try to press it, and then just roll. And as you roll this korma, you will see it's already like forming these little line, and this is what we need in this recipe. So I'm just gonna keep doing the rest. Okay, so I have oil preheating over medium-low heat. Now you don't want to wait for the oil to get too hot to add this korma, because then it's gonna burn. So you want to add it to when the oil is like almost hot, and add few at a time. Okay, now look how beautiful is the korma looking already, just like gulab jamun. Yes, it does look like gulab jamun, but it's not gonna taste like gulab jamun. And this has to fry until you have a very not too dark, but like a very nice golden color. But you have to keep stirring, like stay with it, don't leave it, because this can burn on one side. You have to keep flipping it over so it can fry all over. Okay, so now our korma is ready. Remove, drain the oil, and right on the paper towel. For now, after that, I'm gonna fry the second batch, and then we're gonna move on to the next step. Okay, so all the kormas are beautiful, golden, and they are ready to go. Now in this saucepan here, over medium-high heat, I'm gonna add some water. Now this is not a regular syrup. This is an icing kind of syrup, and this has to be thick. So we're just gonna heat this a little bit. Now you can either dip the korma into this syrup, or if you don't want to, you just drizzle it on top as much as you want. Okay guys, so our korma, sweet korma, is ready. And from the 16 that I got, that's all I have left. It is just 11 It is too good, and everyone in the house was just snacking on it. So I just want to break it into half and show you the inside. So, okay, come close. And first, let's see how soft. You guys can see how soft, and the sugar, the crystal sugar is falling. This is what you're supposed to see in this korma, those crystally sugar. So just break it and look at the inside. It's just like cotton. It is soft. Just give it a bite. Let's bite on it. And well, I know it is 10 out of 10, but this is so good. I love korma. When I was in Mauritius, almost every Friday, Thursday and Friday, my mom used to buy korma and bring for me, and I just kept eating because this is so good. So good. Written recipe will be down below. Written ingredient will be down below in the description box. I will see you next time. Bye.